Hello and thank you for watching the Alchemy Kitchen. This is other side of the channel I started to do. You might have noticed in my last couple of videos. I call it the Alchemy Workshop. I've been spending more time in my workshop than the kitchen lately, hence not many cooking videos. There'll be more coming, but for now I'm going to be doing more of this stuff. So this is just an introductory video. I'm going to be doing some more footage today, so watch for those videos. About 7 months ago I got my first forge. A few months before that I was dabbling with making my own. So I'm new to this stuff. I'm learning stuff all the time, and there's going to be a ton of footage, a ton of channels of people that are way better than me, way more experienced, showing you how to do a lot of this stuff. But I thought to give it from a beginner's perspective, where you can kind of see my progress as well. There might be something I'm showing that's totally wrong, so if someone's out there with experience, feel free to correct me. From what I've learned, though, a lot of this stuff, there's more than one way to do it for whatever it is. I mean, anything with building. There's usually more than one way to do it. There's not just one correct way. There's different ways that might work better for other people. So it's a learning experience. You're constantly learning and hopefully constantly improving. I'll have some videos coming up that I'm going to shoot today that will be up very soon, shortly after this one, where I'll cover, they'll be kind of shorter videos where I'm covering things like just basic safety stuff for beginners, tools, like essential tools, and kind of tool hacks, because I work on a budget, and I think usually if someone's just starting out or thinking of starting out, they don't feel like dumping thousands and thousands of dollars into tools for a hobby they might decide they don't like. Where I get my sources for like material, metal, and wood, stuff like that. I'll also be doing some reviews on tools, and of course we'll have some videos where I'm going through the making process. I'm constantly learning new things, and I mean, I'm always getting into new stuff. So most recent has been leatherworking. So a lot of it you're going to see probably mistakes, a lot of them. Hopefully improvement over time, and hopefully some tips that'll help you out, and you can learn from my mistakes instead of making them yourself. So hit the subscribe button, hit like, leave comments, all that stuff will keep me motivated to do more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll have some more footage up shortly after this video.